Welcome back. It's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been no, wait. It's been actually what? 2-3 weeks that we've done one.
Yes.
Been busy with Easter and everything, and we're back.
Yep.
We got another video.
Yep.
What Anne and John have in their hands, it's called a cracker. Usually you do those at Christmas, but we had one for Easter.
We found some for Easter.
Yeah, we did, and they wanted to show everybody what it's all about. So, on the count of 3,
1, 2, 3.
subscribe.
Go.
Pull. No, you're not supposed to. Pull. Let's go. Chopper. Go lie down.
At this point, I think
There you go. You all right? Open it up.
There's usually a joke.
Yep.
A kind of like crown thing that's like way too big,
Okay.
and a little sticker.
Let me see the sticker. Bring it closer.
Yes.
Okay. And what's the joke?
The joke is, why can't you tell jokes to an egg?
Why can't you tell jokes to an egg? Why?
It will crack up.
Oh my God. Boom. It'll crack up. So this is what comes in the crackers. The kids love this because it makes a little bang sound. There you go. The joke is right here.
Smells weird.
Yep, it's in both languages.
Wait,
Comment appelle-t-on un boomerang qui ne revient pas?
what is that? Wait.
Un bâton.
Hey guys, smell.
They can't smell through the camera, buddy. So, and there's a sticker.
We got a little game.
Tons of fun for the little ones. And
Got a little game.
this is the game we're going to review today. It was for Easter, but like we said, we didn't get around to it. It's by Occasions, Easter Bunny Hoppers. You got a whole bunch of suction cups that you can stick on the table, and it looks like they got baskets here.
Yes.
So
Two baskets.
the rules are on the back.
Well, there are different ways to play the game.
Yep, there are different ways. We'll try a couple, see what happens. Okay. And this is another Dollarama game, because we're poor and we only buy from Dollarama.
You said grandma.
So on the count of 3, open it up, but don't destroy the back because I need the instructions. Go. 1, 2, 5.
What? 1, 2, 5.
Back, please.
Smash.
Okay, choose the color basket you want.
Purple. Yellow.
Okay. John.
Okay. Give me my purple.
Okay. Now, we're going to try game 1. In turn, each player places 8 hoppers on a flat, smooth surface. All of them. Anne goes first, okay? When you've placed the 8, you push them down,
And you try and catch it.
okay? And you see how many you catch. All right? No, wait. Anne's going to go first, and then John's going to go, okay?
It's okay, he can put some down. Why?
Okay. Well, you're not doing them all at once. Go 1. You got to form suction. Here, look. These things. Oh my God. Nope.
Oh, God.
Okay, I figured. These are the things that you lick your finger and wet these things.
Film him.
No.
Why?
Lick your finger and do, because I'm filming, I would do it if I wasn't filming. Now press down on it. Let's see if it's that. There you go. So, yeah. Okay, instead of licking your finger, we're going to have a little, thank you, Mommy, little bowl of water.
It's just.
Go as fast as you can, Anne. Wait, John. Okay, you're helping out, buddy?
Yes. Let's just put water on
Okay, and once they're done,
Look at my sweater.
Sobble Beach Shark.
Yes, mine doesn't fit
That's
me.
where we used to always go on vacation. This year we'll probably try and hit Prince Edward Island.
I have my sweater. I need help!
No, it's okay, buddy. Anne's gonna finish off, then we'll do you, okay?
I had a sweater as well. That's from South Beach, but it doesn't fit me.
Doesn't fit you anymore?
Wait, we can put it at the bottom. I have like a pants thingy.
Yeah, well, you're growing fast.
No, me, I'm doing the bottom.
Okay,
I'm doing
they're
the
all
bottom.
done? John, they're all done?
I'm doing the bottom.
John,
No,
it's
you don't
Anne,
need that.
then it's you, okay? Press them all down. Fast, 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 fast.
Can you put some more? Dang it.
Oh. No,
No, you have to stay for a long time.
okay. Missed. Try two more.
It's right inside.
Go. John,
Need some more.
buddy, wait. It'll be your turn in 2 minutes, okay?
No, I'm helping them.
Okay, here. I'll do this, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Whoops, wasn't fast enough. Watch out, buddy. Ready? No, that wasn't fast enough.
No, it's not. It's me right now. Which one is?
Oh.
I'm thirsty. I know.
I don't know if it's more water or...
I put more water on this one. Oh.
Whoop! That one just came right out.
The head came off.
That one just came right out.
I can fix it. Don't cry. Someone put water on the bottom.
I don't think it's the water on the bottom, man. But anyways.
I fixed it. I fixed it. Yay. Hey guys, I fixed it. I fixed it, guys. Does this even work?
Well, I personally think that we're going to stop buying toys from Dollarama.
I can't remember if it's the last one, but there was one with the monkeys that didn't work. With the little
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Please come here.
Oh, I had that one going, but anyways.
I can. Okay, they're breaking. They're just breaking.
Yeah.
I fixed it. Hey guys, I fixed this other one that broke.
Oh. Wait. Up! Oh!
I got it in.
Yeah, right.
She cheated.
Let's see if you can get it, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Do it.
Okay.
Do one for him. Let's see what happens.
And this one, since it works a lot.
Not too much water, though, okay? That's what happens when there's too much water.
I can't let go. You have to figure out something.
Yeah, we're going to have to figure out something.
Oh! How do you do that?
Well, I guess we'll try and figure these ones out for camping, huh?
Yeah. Okay, John, be ready. I am.
Whoop. Ready? You got to catch it when it's up in the air.
3, 2.
Whoop.
Close, no.
Huh? I think it went there. You go. Put them down, see what
Oh,
happens.
I forgot about this guy.
Yeah, both of those guys worked. Oh, okay. Oh, get it. Another one. Wait, John.
Hello?
Up.
I got it. So those are I got it.
The other one's there. No, you didn't get it. The other one's over there.
The little click or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Dollarama store.
Dollarama store.
Yeah,
Seriously.
that's what it is.
I know
Oh. Get ready. Get ready.
Get ready, get ready.
Yay! Good job. Do the other one for John. See if John can do it. See if John can catch one.
Got it. I'm got it. I'm thirsty, so I want to drink that one.
No, you're not drinking the water.
Oh, would you have something to drink, please? Here you go.
Yeah. Catch one and you can have something to drink.
Don't stop me. Stop.
John.
Stop. I catch and
No, you got to catch the eggie. Whoop. Wait. No. You got to catch it. Up!
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
It's kind of like we're just playing the breaking room. I know.
Yeah, well, cheap toys. That's what happens.
Yep.
I fixed it.
Oh,
Cry,
whoop.
little baby.
There we go. One went flying.
Don't cry, little baby.
Oh,
You know what? Did the people that landed like that? It was so funny.
So 2 eggs worked.
But some don't.
oh. Is Anne going to catch another one?
Well, I caught one.
You caught one, yeah.
We can throw
Oh, I
them and
did.
try to catch them.
Oh, yes.
Like I can throw them and try to catch them. So. Yay!
Oh,
Well, okay.
try to throw it to me.
Try and throw it to you.
Another one.
I caught it.
I think it's full. You caught it? Well,
I ended up catching.
let's finish off this one.
I caught it with foot.
What do you think of this game, John? You give it thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up? And thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs in the middle.
Thumbs in the middle.
Thumbs in the middle.
You know what?
It's
I
still fun just throwing it and trying to catch it.
so that's why you give it thumbs in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or else I give it a thumbs down.
Hey guys.
Yeah, well, you got, how much did you catch? Come, show the camera.
Yeah. So I saw
Cool,
it, just
buddy.
put it in.
All right, so I'll agree with you, Ann. Thumbs in the middle. And the only reason why is because they don't stick like they're supposed to. If they would stick like they're supposed to,
I got 4.
cool.
Oh my God, I got it again.
If they would stick like they were supposed to, it would be a lot funner. So we're gonna have to try and figure these things out for camping, because we'll probably do another video while we're in our 5th wheel camping, right?
And on the beach.
Well, we're not gonna bring these things on the beach.
No.
The sharks will eat them. So I'll give it a thumbs in the middle also. Thumbs in the middle. Oh, there goes one. And if you like this video of our cheap toy reviews, hit the like button. Hit the like button.
Not the thumbs in the middle button.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, hit the bell button.
Hit the thank you, buddy. Hit the bell button. What else? Subscribe. All right. Until next time.
We forgot something.
What did we forget?
Play smart.
Hey! Newton Family Clan says.
Hit
Play smart.
the YouTube button.
No, don't hit. Yeah, okay. Hit the YouTube button, but hit the subscribe button, so that everyone can see
On YouTube.
our escapades.
Look at this.
All right. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye. Later.